Too hard, man. Slow down, slow down. Oh my God. Hey everybody, my name is Jdevy. Welcome back to another arcade video. In this video, I am winning jackpots at the arcade. How many tickets can I win? Check the video out to find out. Hope you enjoyed the video later on. If you should enjoy it later on, please like, comment, share, and if you're new, subscribe. Rush for goal! Come on. Let's get a jackpot first try. Come on. Oh, jackpot, jackpot. Oh, yes, first try. There we go, 500. Right in there, oh my gosh. Jackpot ball! I love the crazy narrator here. I think his name is Jack Zielinski. Not sure. But there you go. 500 tickets. And then some. All right. See a little quarter over there. Do you see that, guys? I don't think you see it, but there's like this little rusty quarter in there. Probably has been there for years. There we go. Got a jackpot on Goal Line Rush once again. Yep, one tip for this game is that when the golden football is edging, you go for it. Yeah, there we go. 506 tickets won. Dang thing's edging again. Come on, jackpot. Oh, nice. All right. Jackpot. Nice. Jackpot ball. There we go. Namco Bandai Amusement America. If you're watching this, let me know the dude who yells stuff in this game. Magician's Wheel, long time no see. All right, see if I can get the bonus here. Hopefully I can get the sweet spot now. Oh no, that was way too late, but who knows? Too hard, man. Slow down, slow down. Oh my God. Oh yeah, first try. All right, that's, oh my God. Now I have to hit it over there. Congratulations, you are a winner. There we go, 1,000 ticket jackpot first try. Haven't played this game in a long time. Yep. All right, almost done. Yeah, none of the games in the arcade here, they don't like dispense tickets as fast as this, so yep. It's no surprise because it was made by Sega. You know how they like fast stuff. Yeah, 1,000 tickets. Come on, it's payback time. All right. Come on, jackpot. Yeah! 990 tickets. See, being quiet is key. If you're quiet as a cat, you have a higher chance of getting a jackpot. $990 tickets. Another day, another jackpot. That's how you do it. Dizzy chicken. Here we go. Oh, that's definitely a 30. Oh, come on. I haven't played this game in a freaking long time. Come on. Oh no, too hard. Are you serious? Wait. Are you serious? 2 away. Heather's clock. Next time. Come on. No. Dang it. 30 tickets. I haven't gotten a bonus shot yet, which sucks. Guaranteed bonus shot. Or maybe a 500. Give me a 500, Daddy. Okay. I'm fine with 100. Now I have to hit this chicken hard. I'm being serious. That is... Yep. Hit that chicken hard. Like what Mama told me. You have to hit that chicken hard. Come on. Make a jackpot. Make a jackpot. Oh my God. Nice. Oh yeah. Mega jackpot, baby. Mega jackpot, baby. Nice. Mega jackpot. Just right in. First bonus shot, 2,500 tickets. Oh my God. Man, haven't hit a mega jackpot in a long time. Just like the good old days. I still think that's a very absurdly large jackpot for such a game like this, but hey, it's good. I'll cut back to you guys once all the tickets are finally loaded. Almost done. Yep. It's like over 100 tickets out now. And 2,600 tickets won. Alright guys, it's time to get a prize. Look at this. I have like 316,000 tickets and I'm not sure what the heck to spend with it. Alright guys, that was the arcade video. I hope you enjoyed the mega jackpot wins in that video. That will be the last you will see of Dizzy Chicken, unfortunately, at that arcade because they have taken it out. Yep. So, yeah. So, here's what I won with my tickets. It's a pretty cool prize for how much it's worth. Here it is. The game room sign. Got this for 3,800 tickets at the arcade. Pretty good value if you ask me. So, I'm going to turn that on. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Would be a pretty nice thing to put in my room. Alright guys, that was the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you sure did enjoy it, please like, comment, share, and if you're new, subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.